Gretel dog. Folks, what's going on? It's Oregon Motorcycle bringing you another awesome episode. In today's episode, we're going to work on my Talaria Sting, and we're going to try to get this fender installed here. So if you look in here, folks, what we have is, this is an Amazon cheapie. So just remember that the products I use, if they're from Amazon, I have links down below. So if you guys are interested in getting this fender, if it fits this bike, you guys can click the links down below in the description and find this fender for yourself. So like I said, this is a cheap Amazon fender, but I think I can make it work, or at least get started with it. It comes with the brackets that I think I'm going to need. So the thing with this fork is, this is the RST fork here, and as you know, it's all got this infamous hoop here. So what happens is when this travels up, it goes up above this mounting point. So it's not like you can just mount a fender and come out here like you could on, say, one of those Manitou or Fox 40 shocks or what have you. So got to get a little ingenious here. And I was watching a YouTube video, and it gave me an idea of like bolting something here and then coming out and then up and then out. And that's kind of what this bracket does in here. So let's check it out, folks. Alright, so if we look in here, you can see that we've got this weird looking bracket. Now I don't know how sturdy this is going to be. It's plastic. And then we have this. I think this is for the rear, which we're not going to be using. But this is the bracket I'm mostly interested in, because this is actually going to mount up underneath the fork, and then you see how it comes up, and then it'll go out for the fender. So this might actually work, folks. We're going to give this a shot. There's these little plug inserts here, so we just got to find the right size plug, get that up in the bottom of the fork, and then get this piece mounted up here. And then we've got a couple different fenders to select from. We got like 3 different sizes. So let's check it out. Okay, so I've got this assembled. I didn't really like the washer that they came with, so I added another washer to make it a little thicker. I'm actually thinking that this could work really good if this was all metal, but the fact that this is being plastic, I'm not 100% sure. So, but yeah, I mean, it's got the functionality there. I don't know if the quality is going to be there. So let's see if it fits in there. All right, so a couple things here. I just got it snugged up here. It does look like I might be able to get a tie strap through here for some extra security so it doesn't fall off on the trail. I think that might be an option. And as you can see, this is going to be a little too close, so I'm going to have to take it back off, and I'm going to bend this angle down a little bit more to have it come down to try to match this angle here. And yeah, let's mock up one of these fenders. So it'll be something like that. I think this might actually work, guys. Alright, folks, we have it installed. It's not looking that bad. It is a bit like flimsy, but overall it's not that bad. So I did put a tie strap around here, and it's kind of sitting like in that little groove right there. So but that did like stiffen it up a little bit, and then now it's going to give me the extra security that if that does come out, this little bolt here on the trail, that this will keep it intact, at least, so it won't come down into the spinning tire. So yeah, the clearance, everything fits here good. I bent that down just a hair to fit. I'm loving the profile. I think what I'm going to do is do a little trimming on the front and kind of give it like maybe a little bit of an angle, so it's a little more pointy in the front. But other than that, this thing is awesome, you guys. I'm going to put it through hell to make sure that it lasts, and it does the trick. I might bend that front down a little bit more to give it a little better profile. But anyways, folks, again, like if you guys are interested in this stuff, check the Amazon links below. I have a whole bunch of more mods coming. So I'm going to be releasing a bunch more mod videos and all that good stuff. So until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.